Hello everyone, welcome to Gina's Quincy Kitchen. Today we are making this gorgeous chicken fried rice with shrimp. So stay tuned and let's cook together. Let's go to my kitchen. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this fried rice. Okay, I have sweet corn, I have peas, I have red bell pepper, and I have carrots. So these are the vegetables. So I'm going to show you the vegetable spices that I'm going to use. I have spring onions, I have onions 2 places. I have this one I'm going to put in the fried rice when making it, and I have this one to prepare like shallot. This is shallots and normal onions. I don't have enough shallots, so I added another onions in it. So I'm going to make shallots dry one from it because I like the taste in my cooking. Okay, so it brings down the sweet taste actually. So I have ginger and garlic. Here is garlic and here is ginger that I shredded. So that's all for the vegetable spices. I'm bringing the dry spices here for you. So these are my dry spices, ingredients I'm going to use. So I have these Nora spices I got from Nigeria. So I like adding it for my fried rice because it's fried rice spices as well. Then I have seasoning cube, I have my salt, I have bell pepper red, I have oregano, thyme, and I also have curry powder. Then I also have rosemary. Okay, so the next is the protein I'm going to add in it. So here is the chicken breast, okay, and I have shrimp. I have the big one and the small ones. I like the small ones, okay. Then I have the pepper and I have the chicken breast. I'm going to use to cook this delicious meal. So for the protein, I'm going to add bell pepper in it, and I'll add in the chicken as well. So I want this ready. So I want this reddish color to pump out very well. Yeah. So I have add my salt. I need to add salt, both of them. So I have to add some Maggi seasoning, half, and I have to put half here. And I don't forget to add my rosemary. Okay, so I'll begin in turning all of them together to make sure that they all mix up. Okay, so mix this one as well. Oh my god. So I think 2 of them is okay. I'm going to keep it in the fridge about 30 minutes. You can keep it overnight. It depends on how you are cooking, okay? So here is the rice. I've washed it the first time with normal water. So I'm going to add some hot water into it before washing it the second. So I'll use my spatula to turn it. I'm not going to parboil it. This hot water is enough for it. So I'm going to wash it again. So I have to add oil into the pot because I'm going to cook the fried rice rice, I want to parboil it before frying it. First thing I'm going to add into the oil is the onions. I told you I'm going to fry like shallots. Okay, that's my pot. I have to fry it until it gets dry. I like the flavor. Okay. So you can see that onions is ready. Okay. That's my shallots, onions. I have to put my ginger and garlic. I have to fry it, and I add my nutmeg. Okay. Yes, next thing I'll add is the curry powder. Then I have there. Then I'll put on my rice. And stir everything together. So just fry a little bit, like 2 minutes before adding your water. So now I'm going to add the meat stock. I'll also add the pepper. Then I'll add the seasoning cube. 2. Then I'll add some salt. So here I have the nora. I'm going to add the nora to spice it. Now I'm going to turn the rice. Then cook. Okay. I added more water. I'm going to start frying the shrimp and the chicken breast when waiting for the rice to cook. So I added my butter in the pan. Okay, I'm going to use the butter to fry the shrimp. So here I added garlic. And I'm going to add the shrimp. So I have to add the chicken and remove the shrimp. So the chicken is done. I'm going to remove it here. So now we are ready to fry the rice. I have to add my oil. Okay, so I can use it to fry the vegetables. So now I'm going to add the rosemary. I like frying my rosemary, and so now the rosemary, and I'm going to add ginger and garlic. Remember, we add ginger and garlic when cooking the rice. So now we are making the vegetables. We have to add ginger and garlic as well. So I added oregano, and I'll also add thyme. Okay, so that the aroma will come out very well. after adding all these spices, we're going to add our onions. Yeah. Now that our onions is done, I'm going to add carrots. I'll stir fry the carrots. So now I'm going to add the peas. And stir fry. The rice is done. Oh. So I think the rice is okay. Look at the color, the golden yellow color. So you can see the golden yellow color. Yeah. So that's what we needed in the rice. So now we'll continue with our frying. So here is the sweet corn. Let's add sweet corn and red bell pepper together. So here I have to add some salt and 1 seasoning cube. Okay. And stir. So now we're ready to add the rice into our vegetables. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful. I can't wait to eat this fried rice. I can't wait. So guys, if you have watched to the extent, please kindly subscribe to my channel, to Gina's Quincy, okay? And don't forget to click on the notification bell whenever I uploaded a new video. You will be the first to know. So like I said, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Germany. So my German friends, my German Nigerians, I hope you guys are watching. And my Nigerians all over the world and other Africans, I hope you guys are watching this fried rice. I hope you're enjoying my cooking. So please subscribe, share my video so that other people will see. Okay? Yeah. It's not easy, but we keep on pushing, right? We keep on pushing. So we're going to add our proteins. Okay. And I have my shrimp. The one I added is the chicken. So I have the shrimp. So I have to add it as well. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah. Oh. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to your girl, Biko. Biko. Biko, subscribe. In fact, subscribe to this fried rice. Yes, subscribe. Don't waste time, oh. Please, subscribe, okay? Just get your plates. I'm going to send yours through internet, okay? Oh my god, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. God bless you so much for always coming to my channel. So the last we are going to add is the spring onions. Don't forget to add your spring onions if you have it, because it makes the food to be so delicious, you know. So I like adding my spring onions after cooking. And that's my shallots that I told you I don't like missing adding it when I'm making fried rice. I love adding it to my food. So guys, we stir, okay? Stir. Wow, look at that. The fried rice is ready. And if you have your plate, come and join me, okay? Just rush to Gina's Quincy kitchen right now. Gina's kitchen is hot. It's making a delicious meal for my fans to see and make for themselves. Whoa, 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 look at the delicious, yummiest fried rice chicken with shrimp. Make it at home. It's very simple and easy. It is very delicious. Try your own and tell me how it tastes. Thank you for coming to my channel, and God bless you all. Bye bye.